Te iwi e whakawhiti atu ana māua ko Maria I tēnei wā, and I do have a Kiwaha, but we're going to go over to the Ipurangi, just to get our tauira for our Kiwaha. And this is from episode 85 e te iwi of Taringa, and anō mēnā kā ringoa kia rongo I a Taringa, a tēnā hari ki te whakarongo. So,
te he mai. He mea pai I te rā. He mai, he mea, you know, many people... We take for granted the importance of the use, te whakahua, or te tohu tō.
Ai, ana.
And for our whānau who are watching this but didn't hear that, te he mai is a lot different to te he mai.
Te he mai is completely different.
Te he mai.
Te he mai, yeah, the negative, because of the te, yeah. So pēnei ia te tāia, te aro atu, yeah, te aro iāhau, yeah.
Oh, well, on that, let's just wrap up that Kiwaha whānau for those who didn't hear it. Te he mai can't go wrong.
Yeah, can't go wrong.
Because te he wrong, you know, incorrect.
Yeah.
But it cannot happen because of the te. Te he mai. He pātai tāku kia koe. Nā runga I tēnei kōrero e pāne ki te tohu tō and te. So, my father's name, kia ora pāpā if you're listening, is Te Pō.
Te Pō.
So, without you knowing much about my dad and why he was named that, how would you interpret Te Pō?
Te Pō, wow, okay.
And it's not Te Pō, it's Te Pō.
That is a good question. Kai konei hau e whakaroa na. Te Pō. No, that can't be right. I'm thinking negative. But it is not. Hara kau tēnei te mea tika. Te Pō. Te Pō, te... Well, I'm stumped. Ono whānau, me pono taku kōrero, I'm a bit stumped. Te Pō, not nights, something like that.
Exactly, not night.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of people are named after the circumstances under which they were born. I don't know much about my father's birth.
Right.
However, I know my dad. And I'm like, that's probably a good name, because my dad's kind of a bit of a light ball.
Ah, okay.
He tangata... whakaoreia. No maira no. He's a little bit extra special.
Okay.
You know, kua he hōhonu rawa tōna tūhonotanga ki te ao e kore nei e kitea. E te mata. E tātou e hikoikoi nei I te ao I te whenua. So it kind of makes sense. He kai whakaoreia in the quietest kind of way.
Yep.
And I mean... There have our whare, we've always, my siblings and I, we laugh about this because we've always had to share our dad with friends, with extended whānau. Dad becomes their anchor, their kaitaki. We've always had people come in through our whare, our kāinga, kia ana hotahi aia, hei whakawhiti kōrero noi ho. But they come a little bit broken. And they leave a little bit healed.
Okay.
So that name is interesting. It's always been interesting to me, but it's probably quite right.
Hey, and he a koe kōrero nei, ko nea hau e whakaroa nei nā kōrero mai ahorangi tai ara hea Black, nā kōrero kua tīki nātu mai nā meki nā tohunga tuku kōrero, tīpuna no hoki, I roto I te pauri, te māramatanga, e whiti ana. I was just thinking about that. I was like, oh, wow. And so, pai tonu te ingoa tō pāpua, te me te whakamāramatonu. Te Pō.